Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax here in Lewisville, Texas. We're out on Lake Grapevine today with a beautiful day. The only wake we have out here is actually from us, so really nice. We're out here in a 2023 Sea Ray SLX 260. This boat only has 31 hours on it. Outboard powered with a white Mercury 300 Verado, fully loaded boat. Has the largest sound system available from the factory. Tower cans, power tower, extending shade, LED lights everywhere, underwater lights, storage throughout, sea deck floor, teak tables. This boat was loaded with all of the goodies, and it is in fantastic condition. Once this boat gets a bath, you really wouldn't be able to tell that it wasn't a brand new one. So really nice boat. Curved seating around the back, great storage underneath your back flip up. Extra stereo remote control in the back, stereo control up here at the helm, in-floor storage, cooler storage underneath your seats. This was ordered with the vacuum flush head, so vacuum flush potty. Pointed bow because it is a SLX and not a SDX. And one of my favorite things on this boat is the storage that you get up front. Check this out. This seat flips open, and that is all storage under there. So our camera bag, he's got an inflatable in there, an extra teak table for the front, flip down armrest. I mean, this boat is absolutely fantastic, and what a great day out here today. We've got the Gaylord Texan back here behind us. So if you got any questions about this or any other boat you see online, pick up the phone and give me a call. This one you can call me directly on my cell phone at 301-501-7123. Thanks a lot. I'll look forward to talking to you.